So here's going to be the video of the 4800 Magnum tank spreader we have for sale. Picture of the pump. Pump has a tag with a build date of 2002. I assume that to be the year of this spreader. It does have a fill inlets on all four corners, 2 fill doors. Tires are 28L 26s. Sorry about the wind. I'm going to try and stay closer to the buildings for wind reasons. Does have the 4-knife applicator on 41-inch centers, just under 10 feet, knife to knife on the outsides. Yetter no-till holders for the openers. We did not use, or the guy selling it did not use this toolbar since he bought it. The hoses and clamps will need probably replaced because they are dry rotted, and the hydraulic hoses on the back are not working order. We will have the toolbar taken off for transport. We just put it on there for videos and pictures, but we will pull it back off and set it on a trailer at time of pickup. Like I said, as far as we know, he said, I think both doors on top open. Because of the rust, he was not using it for vacuum. It will hold vacuum as far as we know, but he was just top filling or filling it and then using it for pressure to spread. And everything worked as it should for that, but unsure if he didn't quite trust the tank for vacuum towards the end. Like I said, it's kind of windy out, but I'll get some pictures of this side. I do not believe the gauge works, so I'm stuck in it. Walk around in the wind on this side. Block the sun a little bit. And we did spray, or he did spray oil on it. So